Okay, update on the cobblestones at the alley. The Cascade called the city, and when they mentioned that it was people were getting hurt on that, the city came right out and fixed it. They didn't just cover over the cobblestones, they took the cobblestones out and then put in the asphalt. So that's a good permanent arrangement. There's there's Cascade there. Here's the lot down there where they're going to be building the building. Okay, there's where we are today. I don't see much going on here today. Surprise, this is Friday. They sure got a lot of done yesterday. So I'll have to go over and see if I can get over there. I got run over, get a closer shot. Still working on something. They could sure load up a truck in a hurry. They had these trucks lined up here. Not only are they building on the left there, but they're also going to be building that one right down there. This is the apartment across the alley from where all the construction is going on, and obviously that's going to obstruct the view of the apartments here. However, I heard from someone who was resident in the apartment house that it's the owner of this apartment house that bought the property and has been doing the building. So he's going to get it before someone else does, apparently. Good idea.